President of today's program, Principal of our school, all teachers and my student friends, today on the occasion of Republic Day I am going to speak before you. However, it is a humble request that everyone should listen with a calm mind. Friends, every year the 26th of January is celebrated as Republic Day in our country. On August 15, 1947, we were freed from British slavery. So we got freedom. At the time of independence, India did not have a constitution. The administration of the country was handed over to Indians, but to run the country requires some rules and regulations and planning. Friends, running your own small family also has some rules and planning in the family. The family runs accordingly. So it is very necessary for a continental country like India. Therefore, on the 29th of August 1947, under the chairmanship of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, a drafting committee was established under the Constituent Assembly to prepare the constitution. This draft committee, especially Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, prepared the final draft of the constitution after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days of hard study and hard work. The draft of constitution prepared by the drafting committee headed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on the 26th of November 1949. Therefore, the 26th of November is celebrated as Constitution Day in honor of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution and Constitution. And the Constitution adopted by the Constituent Assembly came into force on the 26th of January 1950. That is, the governance of independent India started from the 26th of January 1950 according to this Constitution. From this day, according to the Indian Constitution, the rule of the people started in India. That is, India became a republic from this day. Hence the 26th of January is celebrated every year as Republic Day in India with great enthusiasm. Having said this, I will end my 2 words. I am grateful to the organizers for giving me the opportunity to speak. Happy Republic Day to all of you. Thank you.